Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Bluetooth on your PC and making sure the adapter supports Bluetooth Low Energy. This matters for stable audio. Once done, take the AirPods Max out of the smart case and press, and hold the noise control button until the status light flashes white. That puts them in pairing mode. Now go directly to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, and choose Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Then select Bluetooth to start discovery. This initiates the PC to AirPods handshake. You will see AirPods Max appear in the Windows device list. Click it to pair. Make sure to accept any pairing prompts. Once paired, Windows shows the device as connected. Next, open Sound Settings and set AirPods Max as both default output and default communication devices so system audio and calls use them. If you need better quality, open Device Properties and adjust the format, or check your Bluetooth adapter's supported codecs. Changing these can improve latency and fidelity. Keep the AirPods active while you configure. You finish by testing audio and microphone in the sound control panel. Play a video and run the mic test to confirm both directions work. If audio drops or only phone call quality is available, make sure Bluetooth drivers are current and restart the Bluetooth service. And make sure the PC's Bluetooth adapter supports the needed codec. If pairing still fails, reset the AirPods Max by holding the noise control button and digital crown until the LED flashes amber then white, then repeat pairing. This usually clears stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.